Hello, welcome to EngineerComic. Free your imagination. Hey guys, this is our video, our progress as long as we make these videos, and we also make it like this. We wanted to make it a hall or like a gate from this dream. We got extra this and make the hall 25.4 millimeters deep, and we click OK, and then we make a line like this, and we make the dimension of it as much as we make this line equal to the other lines, make it equal like this. No, white. Okay, we change it as 12.63 and make it parallel from this line. We change it again, maybe 10 or 19.05 is enough. Okay, we change it again. We make it 80 millimeter. We are not changing it, but we adding the another dimension. Okay, I wanted to copy this with mirror command. By the way, I am using the front plane to draw this line to make it like this, something like a gap from inside of this block engine. We copy this one, and I wanted to make extract card from here, from the front plane that I draw. We use 19.05 for the depth of this extract card and make it direction 2 because we wanted to make it like two direction extract card, cutting the two direction of it. We also make it 19.05 like the another side. Okay guys, this is all for this videos. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.